Hi everyone, welcome back to LearnTricks Excel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to hide sheet names in Excel. This can be really useful if you want to keep your workbook clean and organized. Let's dive right in. First, let's take a look at our book. As you can see, we have a several sheet here, and sometimes it can get a bit cluttered, so let's learn how to hide these sheet tabs. Step 1. Go to the File tab in the ribbon. Next, click Option at the bottom of the menu. In the Excel Option dialog box, click on Advanced from the left navigation menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Display Options for this workbook. Here you'll see an option that says Show Sheet Tabs. Simply uncheck this box. Here, uncheck it, then OK. And just like that, the sheet tabs are hidden. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide sheet names in Excel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.